must be wondering, how do I even do those stunts? Well, here's your chance to find out. Join me in my Tirupati class. Learn 4 of my favorite moves. And maybe you can be the next Tirupati coach. Progression 1. Wall jump, pushing yourself backwards. Progression 2. The wall flip with your spotter. Progression 3. Go for it. Step 1. Basic cartwheel. Progression 2. A one-handed cartwheel. Progression 3. Now you can try the aerial or the no-handed cartwheel with the spotter. Progression 4. You think you're ready? Then go ahead and try it. Front flip, step 1, basic jump. Front flip, step 2, the dive rule. This time we're going to attempt the front flip. We're going to complete it with the help of your spotter. 4. If you think you're ready, attempt it by yourself. Front flip. Progression 1, a bridge. Progression 2, arch jump. Progression 3,